Hi guys, we received this crystal hanging kitchen pendant, and I think they're quite nice because they have this golden finish with these crystals, and obviously all you need to install it and some replacements. Okay, look how beautiful it is. I like a lot the gold finishes. Okay, so I'm going to install them in our office. This is where you hang that. Okay, so let's go. They look really nice. The crystals are very nice and they are very bright. I like a lot the gold finish, and the black cable looks amazing. And they are really fancy. So I will recommend them. See you.